So I'm just pushing and feeding that right into the crack, into the lip. And as you can see, so I'm just pushing and feeding that right into the crack, into the lip. And as you can see, it's sealing up pretty good. There's still a little bit of a gap there, but hey, you know, we'll do what we got to do. And hopefully over time,
it's not always going to be perfect, huh?
It's not always going to be perfect. If we can keep some of the leak out, that's the best.
That's kind of what you're dealing with right there.
Just make sure you put it right into the crack. Feed it right along that lip and just tack it down. Now as the grill heats up, it's going to help set that glue in even better. So you just want to make sure it tacks down. And there you have it. Just like that. What do? Put it down there and let it rest. Yep, it rests on there really nice. So now if we have a gap like this and we can't fill that in, well, we can come in and put some more, trim this right down, and that should fill it up. Maybe even some heat resistant tape. Build it up on the inside of the lid right here so that it gives a good fit. But I believe that's going to work pretty well. Now we're going to do the same thing for the smoke box. Now that may be a little more sensitive because of the heat and temperature. A recommendation we were given is when we season this out, don't take it up too hot.
And the smoke box is this.
Yes, this side right here in the smoke box. We don't want to take the heat up too hot. And then this is another thing, and maybe you guys know. If so, send us a comment right down on the bottom. But with the smoke box this size, usually they're built for a bigger smoking compartment. So this is a little bit of a reduced smoking compartment. So what we want to do is we want to start low with the heat. So we're going to put probably half the amount of charcoal in here, and then only one split log. So something very small and petite, just to start with. We don't want to heat this up. Personally, I don't feel comfortable with heating it up to almost 400 degrees because some people have had problems with paint. I want this to cure in, and I want that paint to bake into the metal as we're using it. So we're going to start with bringing it to 250, 275, leave it there for 2 to 3 hours, and let that cook and bake in the outside paint, but also let that clean the internals of our smoker and our grill. Well, remember, right there at the bottom, subscribe, like. We've got another video coming up. We're going to grease this baby down, and then we're going to get her ready and season her out. So become a part of what we're doing here. Go along with us on the journey. We're backyard weekenders, like many of you. We're do-it-yourselfers. And so right here, Weekend Barbecues is a place for people just like you. You don't need to be a pit master. You don't need to be an expert, but we can share our experiences together, our recipes, our tips, tricks, and everyone will benefit. So enjoy our channel, be a part of our channel, go down this journey with us, and we'll see you in the next video.